What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a unboxing video for you guys, and this is, you know what it is? It's RGD 61A LED Ibanez. Very nice guitar, but it's not gonna be a typical unboxing video where you see people unbox their new guitars. It's new guitar, but it's not just that. I received it a couple of days ago and I haven't opened it. Received it from my luthier because I sent him this guitar to set it up, to do a proper final setup and fret leveling work and some other work that I will explain and I will show in another video. Yeah. So this is gonna be an unboxing video where I'm gonna show you, and you will see what I'm gonna see. It's sealed. It's completely sealed. I haven't opened it, and hopefully it's gonna be great. Because otherwise I'm gonna be very disappointed. And I hope the sound is fun, because I can see the video quality will be much better than my previous videos where I was shooting with my smartphone. Okay, let's start. Let's open up the box. Okay. The moment of truth. Guitar is in the box, in the case, well protected, because I was sending this guitar through the bus station. So it's been traveling from and to another city to my luthier, who is doing some work on my guitars that I need some work. Okay, look. It's about to pop out from the case. There, you guys want to see? Okay, now I'm seeing this for the first time when I received this guitar from my luthier. So this is no joke, and I hope it's gonna be fine, because I haven't paid him yet. If it's okay, I'm gonna pay him. Oh, if it's fine, look at that. And okay, this is a setup card he gave me. I actually received this setup card for the first time. Is it in focus? Hey, focus on this card. Yeah, it's in focus. See? Okie dokie. Okay, I'm gonna read that later. Okay, so the strings. Okay, let's see. The neck is straight. And you do like that, you measure the neck, how straight it is. Or, you know, do you need to adjust it? So it's pretty much straight. Strings are, well, low. Pretty much low, I think. Okay, no fret sprouts. Maybe a little bit. Neck pickup is straight. It was angled. The neck pickup was angled like that. It wasn't straight like that, it was angled. I didn't like that. Ibanez, what the hell are you doing? Hey, I remember. Let's check the beauty of the Evertune. If it's in tune or not. Let's see if it's in tune. Yeah, it is. It's in standard D. I asked him to tune it to standard D, and it's gonna stay in standard D forever. The strings supposed to be bending, because I asked him to set it up the way I want it. I want the strings to be bendable all the way. This one, well, I have to test it more when I plug this bad boy onto VST or the amp. I actually sold this amp a couple of days ago, so today this amp is leaving my home, and I'm gonna plug this guitar into the Black Sound plugin or Sandy James plugin, and I'm gonna see if it's okay or not, because I can hear that this string doesn't want to bend, but that only means that I need to raise just to get a little more tension. You increase the tension, and then you can hear that the pitch goes up. Basically, you need to find a sweet spot on the bend zone where it stays in tune, but it's also bendable. So I don't know, it's clean, pretty much. Look at this bad boy. What do you think? So that's it for now. Don't have a lot of time this morning, because I'm shooting this video just right before I head off to work. I wanna play all day. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Plenty more to come. And I think I'm gonna stick to my camera. And I don't know if I'm ever gonna shoot videos with my phone, because the quality is not that great. But I still think that I'm gonna test how good of the videos I can make using my smartphone. Maybe I'll get it to work. But of course I have my proper camera, and I can see now on the screen that the video looks really beautiful. Even though I just have light at the back, just lighting me from the back, and it looks nice, I think. And I have natural light coming out from the huge window on this side, and that's it. And the video looks legit. Anyway, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Bye.